How to add captions to LinkedIn videos. Did you know that about 80% of people that watch videos of LinkedIn watch them with no audio on? So if you don't have subtitles or you don't have captions on your LinkedIn video, chances are people probably don't know what you're saying.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
So when you upload a video and you select the video that you share, so let's me select a video here. Let's pick a basic one that's easy to upload. Just pick this one. You'll notice the edit button here. And what this does is it allows you to upload a subtitle file. So the file format will have .srt at the end of it. That's the subtitle file. So you can see here, video caption file, SRT only, and then you can select the caption. So in order to create the caption, what I suggest you do is you use a fantastic software called Rev. And a lot of famous influencers who do video marketing across other social channels use Rev. I've been using it personally for about 10 years. And what it is basically people around the world who will type your subtitles up for you, and it's about $1 a minute. So if you upload this video, for example, it's 3 minutes onto Rev, costs about $3 or $4, and you'll get the SRT file, download it, and then you can upload it there, and they will pop up on your video. I am an affiliate of Rev. So if you type in this address, you'll get your first $10 worth of subtitles for nothing. Divi.consulting/Rev. And that's where you get your $10 coupon for the first job. And so you can test it out, see if you like it. Subtitles normally turn around in 2 or 3 hours. But that way, then you can upload the captions with the video on LinkedIn. You can even customize the thumbnail at the same time. And there's a good chance that people will actually be paying attention to what you're saying in a video. Good luck. Let me know if it works in the comments below when you add captions to your LinkedIn video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips.